Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. Here we've got a A4 Avant. So it's a SE Technique 2 litre TDI on a 2014. It's finished in brilliant red with the black leather interior. So nice car, good history. It's got the upgraded 18-inch alloys. They were upgraded from new. Privacy glass, electric tailgate. Michelin tyres all round. We've just done a service on it. The cambelt and water pump's been done, and it's also had a gearbox oil change. Good history with it. 2 keys. It's got electric tailgate as well on this one. Yeah. Really good dual purpose vehicle, these. It's got a wheel as well. As with all our cars, it'll be provided with 12 months MOT. We provide them with a warranty. They're all HPI motorcheck cleared, and they all go through our workshop before they go up for sale. So the video is really just to show you what it looks like in the flesh as it was. All the full details and spec will be on the advert. It's got sat nav, Bluetooth, parking sensors front and rear with display. And again, I think for the age and mileage, it's really well presented. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment. And this is just so that people don't have a wasted trip. And obviously we can reserve a car for a small fee. So if you've set off, if you're not rung us, someone might have reserved it and you'll have a wasted trip because they'll have priority on the car. So if you've got any questions, if you want to arrange a test drive or come down and view, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.